So this pink here got me feeling all ghetto or whatever, so.
Yo, what going on, people them?
Damn. Yeah.
Y'all, this is about to be my first pink wig, or my first colored wig. I'm so excited. Maybe a little. Okay, let me just sit down. I think it's overexposed, but anyway, I'm not this light. It's just I needed the brightness for this. Anyway, here's the wig we will be using from, that was the company again. I can't remember the company name. Shame on me. It's gonna be on the screen right here. Bang. I got this cute bob, and of course I got it in the 613. I'm not gonna rock it this way because this is just not gonna look good on my skin, but we are going to be dyeing it pink. And when I say pink, I mean pink. We ain't doing ombre pink, streak pink, highlight pink, low light pink, traffic light pink. No, we doing pink from root to tip. Root to tip? Yes. And we will be using the Adore. Oh my gosh, this camera is so overexposed right now. I'm sorry, y'all. Focus, my friend. Can y'all see that? No, you can't. Oh, it's focusing on my face. That's why. I can put it in front of my face. There. It's the Adore. Okay, now it's still too bright. Let me try and low down this light because it's just a little bit too much. We're doing the most right now. There. Wait. Oh my word. It won't focus. Is it? Yes, I think it's focused now. So we're gonna be using the Adore Petal Pink in 192, and we're gonna be doing the first time, like my first time ever. I'm gonna be dip dyeing it, water dyeing it, whatever it's called. So I don't know what else to say. Oh yeah, I went like honestly days ago and I sprayed Got To Be, because I was supposed to do this days ago. So I sprayed Got To Be spray on this and I let it air dry, and it's been on there for days. So I don't think I need to do another layer. I think we're good. I can still kind of feel it. It's hard, so I'm just not gonna do it again. And I don't care too much if the lace gets a little pink. I guess maybe I would in the future. But I don't know, I've never done this before, so I'm really excited. So we're just gonna get into this. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to join the gang so we can hang. Alright, let's go. Let's do it. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to take the dye, and I hope I didn't put too much water because I literally only have one bottle. We can only hope for the best right now.
Ooh, that's actually that was purple.
That doesn't look anything like the
it's a
covers.
hot pink.
No, I wanted pink petal.
Well, just mix it.
Okay, this is how it says it's supposed to look. Okay, so I'm just going off that.
I guess the hot water is gonna make it wet.
I'm just gonna use the whole bottle, but we'll mix it bit by bit.
Yeah, see the
Oh snap! Whip it and flipping it, a. Whip it and flipping it, a. Woo! I think I put too much water.
I think you did.
I'm gonna pour out some water, or should I? I don't. You know what? Let me not panic. Okay, I'm gonna pour out some water. I just don't want to ruin this because I only have one bottle. Beep beep.
It looks a bit pink. More pink.
Shouldn't really do anything. What's wrong with you, my friend? I think I'm just gonna go ham with the whole bottle. You spin me right around, baby, right around. Okay.
I'm done.
Why do you keep running down the stairs like that? It's
I'm trying to beat my
disturbing.
records.
You're trying to what?
Beat my records.
What is your record?
Okay, you don't even have a timer, bro.
Yes, I do. In my head. Oh.
Your timer is
this?
inaccurate. Okay, there's actually a lot of dye in here. I was panicking for no reason. Y'all, I need to go get my nose pierced. I'm so scared. I watched
it actually
it.
hurts.
Yo, I was looking at videos and I was like, oh. But then
Why is it so
I don't know.
It smells like a fruit.
Okay, guys, so I think that's good enough. We about to just submerge this bad boy. Wait.
Should we do the tips first?
I don't really care for an ombre effect. I just want it.
No, just do the tips first.
If this doesn't work, guys, I'm gonna be so sad.
In the arms of the I think you got the pink that you wanted.
Can't deal with the lace.
And
you don't open up. Hey, yo, open up!
Nice. That strand of pink.
Why is it only getting on some parts?
Because it's nasty.
You nasty.
Oh! I'm just guys like getting out all the mess.
It's your beard.
Oh, yeah,
You guys are interrupting my video!
Shut up! Wait, I want to photo.
Y'all, I feel like it's the color I want, but not all of the strands are getting
You
it.
should have done some Todoroki type of stuff.
What
For
the
them
heck does
anime.
Todoroki mean?
Listen, people
my
who watch
G?
anime would understand on your video. Okay? And I'm pretty sure it's like half, 50% of the people watch anime on your channel. I'm pretty sure.
50%?
I
What
bet.
makes you so sure?
Because it's too many people who watch anime nowadays.
Woo! Y'all see that? Oh, it's pink. I feel like it's too pink. Oh.
Well, guess what?
Yo, this is so much pinker than I expected. I was going for like a baby pink, but hey. Oh, it took all the color out of the water.
Now it's just pink that you would never like.
That is dope. I think it's gonna get lighter when we blow dry it and flat iron it. I don't think I did it according to the way people did it on YouTube, but it's okay, cause
it's pink.
It's pink. Like, shoot, that was what we were going for. And then we're gonna come back and style it. I pace.
Where's the jam?
Alright guys, so it is technically weeks later, but we have dyed the wig. This is the end result. It's a little bit frazzled because I had to put it in my wig storage for a while. This is how the lace looks. I think I have to put some powder on it because I don't think it's gonna blend into my, scalp, wool skin. So I'm just gonna cut the lace as I always do in like a zigzag motion. And I'm going to adjust the straps as always to the tightest because my head is just small. So I'm just going to try it on my head. As you can see, I just did like a sleek ponytail because I didn't feel like doing cornrows. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with right now.
Oh, snap!
Yo, this came out so much more pink than I expected. I was going for more of a pastel color, but that didn't happen at all. This came out pink. But anyway, what is done is done. So I'm gonna put some foundation on and then we're gonna have to re-flat iron this because I went and messed it up. I don't know, we gonna fix it up. I'm really excited though. It's crazy, this is crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna cut the lace. Actually no, I'm not gonna cut the lace. What am I saying? Okay, just roll with me. I don't even think I'm gonna talk anymore because I'm so confused. Just roll with me. Alright, I'll come back and talk to you guys at the end. that is it for the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. No, I am not going outside like this because it's just not, I can't go outside like this, but I can definitely stay inside and take a bunch of pictures for the world to see. That I can do. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Let me know if any of you guys are brave enough to rock this color outside. But yeah, that is it. Super special shout out to our featured subby of today's video. Bang bang. Thank you so much for your love, for your support, for watching, for commenting, all that good stuff. I hope that you're having a great day, a great week, a fantabulous year, and a fantastic life. God bless you. If you would like to be featured in any of my upcoming videos, you already know what to do. Make sure you like this video, you comment down below, and of course you subscribe to join the gang so we can hang. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.